Hey guys, what's up? So you've just bought your Smart Band IK-SB18 and you're a little lost about how to synchronize it with your phone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect your Smart Band IK-SB18 easily in less than 3 minutes. Make sure your Smart Band is charged and turn it on. And make sure to turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone. First, find the JYou app in the Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store and install it on your phone. Once installation is complete, click on the Open button to start the JYou app on your phone. Click on the Allow button to allow the JYou app to make and manage phone calls. And click on the Allow button to allow the JYou app to access your device's location. Accept the privacy terms and user agreement. Select Mainland China server or other country servers. And confirm privacy in server. You do not need to log in to use the JYou app, simply click on the Over Login button. You can now go to the settings. Click on the Binding Equipment menu. Click on the double arrows on the top to refresh the view, and you should see your watch appear as IK-SB18. Click on it, and it should appear in the connected device list. Congratulations, your Smart Band is now synchronized to your phone. To check your current activity status and historical data, click on Status, Sleep, Sport, or Data. In the Settings part, you can enable additional features like message notifications or alarms. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to the channel.